Hi everyone! Today's topic is subtractions with minus figure. You can do subtraction correctly and quickly. Just give it a try. Okay, let's get started. In this video, I'll write 50 minus 2 like this, and this, like this, and this, like this. Call them minus figures. Okay, now let's do this subtraction digit by digit, like 7 minus 2, 1 minus 3. It's 50 minus 2. If you cannot do this in mind, don't worry. Just do 1 down 10, like 5 minus 1 and plus 10, 10 minus 2. Once again, subtraction, digit by digit. Then leaving this 7, take this part as 30 minus 4. So 1 down, giving 10, 10 minus 4. Once again, subtraction, digit by digit. Then leaving this 6, here is 30 minus 1. 1 down, imagining 10, 10 minus 1. Here is 50 minus 6. 1 down, imagining 10, 10 minus 6. If you continue to use it, you can do this 2-digit subtraction only imagining 40 minus 7. But at first, write down the numbers. Move on to a new tool. 1 million is 69 plus 1. Then take this as a number, with ones place 10. It's a bizarre number. Call this the just. I'll show you its convenience later. This is another just. It's actually 100,000. This is also the just. It is 10,000. How much is 9 90 10? It is 1,000. How about 90 10? It's 100. Okay, I'll show you how to use them. Take this subtraction, digit by digit. When minus figures are side by side, just use 1 down just, like 1 down, giving the just. 9 minus 3, 9 minus 2, 10 minus 8. It's done. Once again, 1 down, the just remains. 3 9 10 minus 2. It's 3 9 8. Once again, 1,000 is 9 90 10. Then subtraction, digit by digit. Once again, after digit by digit subtraction, 1 down, giving 90 10. You can do it without the just. 40 minus 3, 70 minus 2, 80 minus 8. but it takes time. Once again, 1 down, giving 10. Then 1 down, giving 10. This is 100 minus 2. Let's do 1 down just without writing it. Take this part as 40 minus 8. Then middle 9. Once again, 40 minus 6. Then middle 9. Take this as a result of a subtraction. 30 minus 8 and middle 9. Let me show you some strange calculation with minus figure. It's a little tough. The storm of 81, as in video 1. Now, let's change this 39 into 1000 minus 1. 39 times 1000. Then assume that times minus 1 is a sign changer, making minus 999. Then 1 down, adding the just. We get the same result. Then let's change another 39 into 1000 minus 1. Times 1 changes nothing. But times minus 1 does. Then 1000 is 99010. And the sum. The same answer again. Next example, as in video 1. Eight minus 3, 1 minus 16, 2 minus 13. 9010 is not enough to cancel out minuses. So 2 down, and 2 times the just. Okay, let's move on to the drill. After the drill, go to video 5, convex block, for a mixed calculation. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.